Baked beans baked beans very Western sort of English concept. We should see what we in India do with baked beans.
Yes, masala. Everything is masala.
Masala.
India, are you tea masala? Now I've seen Marinda masala.
Let me tell you,
Omelette masala.
He just loves masala.
What do you like masala?
I love masala tea, but that's about it. I don't like masala omelette or anything like that. But every single thing in India seems to have the masala option.
Also put masala in yogurt and eat it.
Nah, masala, you'll put it on rasmalai. You
So do you cook at all?
I heat up stuff at home, but I don't
Very
cook.
good. That's the first step towards cooking.
No, I'll clean up, but don't ask me to cook.
But you're not even tempted to try.
No interest cooking. I've got all the interest to eating. I'll eat and then I'll clear up. But don't ask me to cook.
But we're going to go behind the counter today and if you want to even try cooking, you're most welcome to do it.
I'll make my debut tonight.
Why not? Why not? Yeah. But if I were to ask you, Wes, favoriteest food in the world? You've traveled, you've lived in the UK.
The world. I love Japanese food. I absolutely love Japanese food. Yeah. Sushi, sashimi, and all that. Teppanyaki. I love all that. That's my favorite.
So Japanese food.
Japanese food. My
But
favorite.
he seems to have a sort of fondness for sushi as well.
Yeah, I mean sushi, and I just love seafood.
Seafood. You're a nice Maharashtrian from a coastal city, huh?
I just love
Maase
seafood.
hoye apnela. In any cuisine?
I had crispy duck in Australia.
And you favorite cuisine?
I must say lamb, a lamb shank, a well-cooked lamb shank is probably my favourite. But every time we travel to Adelaide, playing shield cricket, test cricket, one-day cricket, every lunchtime they had this plum chicken.
Okay.
Plum chicken, it was the best dish. And all year you'd pencil in Adelaide. If I don't play another game for WA, as long as I get to go to Adelaide and have the plum chicken, I'll be happy.
You'll go.
Yeah, definitely.
Now I have to ask this very deep question because I've been itching to ask this. What is this man doing with a doll in his hand? Just please show it to everybody. What is this?
Oh, this is part of the royal family, the Rajasthan royal family. Basically, if someone's had a misdemeanor in the past 24 hours, they've got to carry the doll for the next 24 hours. 24
So
hours.
you've messed up.
I generally get this every third or fourth time.
You ever had to?
Unfortunately, yes. I did have to have old Pinky for one day. And since then, I've been behaving myself.
And you don't want to tell me what you did to deserve it.
I turned up late for a swimming session.
Simple enough.
Simple as that.
Yeah,
Have you had a Jigs?
No, not yet.
He's a good boy. He's been very careful not to earn one of these things.
अच्छा मराठी boy ना.
अच्छा मराठी. मेरे जैसा. Maybe अच्छा मराठी boy.
Not a boy though.
Not boy anymore, but still. So I know you do the barbecue. He's never really cooked, but does the odd baked beans and pohe. No, not pohe. Boiled eggs. Boiled eggs.
and
Yeah.
all, yeah.
So he heats up stuff just like me.
So he's just like you.
Yeah.
So up to the challenge. Let's go behind the counter and try to do something that is edible and that we can eat at the end of all this.
Why not?
Come on. So shall we head towards the kitchen area?
There we go.
Okay. So Oves here is in its full element. He's all set to do it the Italian way.
The Italian way. I've just done my dough.
Yeah. And joining us is also Chef Royal. Chef, pleasure. Now I leave you both to decide what you want to do with the pizza, and let's have some fun doing it.
Right.
Yeah.
You've got the main ingredient, the cheese, but we're gonna base it up with tomato sauce. You wouldn't have thought I'm doing this for the first time. Not bad at all. A few peppers. Got a few mushrooms.
Peppers and mushroom. You know, watching you at it, I wouldn't have believed that you only.
This is
heat
my
up stuff.
debut, eh?
Yeah, I like this debut.
Put it in there like that, chef. There we go. Cheese, the main ingredient, plenty of it.
And with deft fingers. Oves has nearly completed his pizza. If I may give a running commentary to this.
Yeah.
Lot of
This is
cheese
easy.
A lot of cheese going on top.
This is very easy. I think I might actually cook one day. And my favorite,
What's this?
barbecue sauce.
Barbecue sauce on a pizza, not bad.
Oh, you have to. go. Okay.
Okay, Owais, I want you to name this pizza. What are you going to call it?
The Rajasthan pizza out of Rajasthan Royals.
Here goes.
Yeah? Happy.
Okay. In it goes into the wood fire oven.
In it
Chef.